Hi, this is the keypad retrofit for the Ataraxia Pepperspray unit. Let's just switch on the keypad. First it will ask you for calibration. This is just on the first time when you switch it on. Then it will give you the information. At the moment the system is armed. Let me just disarm it. And it will give you the disarm signal. You can also add more users. There's two commands. One is, first you have to type in the code for programming mode. Now it's in programming mode. Programming mode will only work while the system is disarmed. To add a new code, you type *10, and then let's just make it 8888, and now it's programmed. You'll see it exited programming mode. So now if you try 8888 and enter, the system will arm. Let's just disarm it again. 8888. And now it's disarmed. To delete all user codes and start over again, you first have to go back into programming mode. Okay, it will show the programming mode. And now if you go *990000#, you'll see it turned to 0, which means there's no more codes in. Now to add a new code, just *10, and let's make it 1 2 3. Let's just try it again. *10, 1 2 3 4. Oh, sorry, my everything is not very. *1 2. Okay, let's cancel again. *10, 1 2 3 4, and #. And now it is programmed in, and you'll see it exited programming mode. So if I type in 1 2 3 4, it will arm. And to disarm again, let's just do 1 2 3 4 #, and it's disarmed. Okay, thank you. I'll post another video soon.